She came from humble beginnings, and in just a few years, Shenseea rose to become one of the most talked about names in dancehall and beyond. But the road to success wasn't easy. This is the story of the Shenseea Queen, from the streets of Jamaica to international stardom. Born Shenseea Lee in Mandeville, Jamaica, Shenseea was raised by a single mother, who she often credits as her biggest motivation. Life wasn't always smooth, but her talent and drive were impossible to ignore. Before the fame, she was a Magnum girl, working promo gigs and hustling behind the scenes. But her breakout moment came in 2016 when she remixed Vybz Kartel's Ludi. The internet exploded. Dancehall had a new queen in the making.
That is what you're doing with your body. And when you wine, pretty girl, it go.
Shenseea didn't waste time proving she wasn't a one-hit wonder. From Shenseea Anthem to Blessed, her sharp lyrics and stage confidence showed she was here to stay. She wasn't just pretty, she was powerful.
If a girl touch me, me nah say me nah be that. But if me I take your man, me I keep. Ready, Salati? Hey, Bojo Bantan, you is a well-known veteran. Now you say Bombay. If a bounty killer, you's a next miserable one. You boss the most artists. Respect to you, me dan. Big up one and only. Sizzle like a laundry man for take a panty. Last of the bobo shanty. Fire upon the man we get the touch from a girl. Then go tell the story like the brother and Nancy. Welcome, one of the king of dancehall. Every girl general, be near rating stall. Plus it a be used to say you slam them. Well you get many gal, the bad gal, evil angel. Hey, Ninja man, what are the baddest thing? Yield to the god of thing. Your lyrics them chopping like a knife for chop the seasoning. Fully bad in everything, no hesitate like buffering. Boy you flip up, ninja no hold no bag of reasoning. Jiggle jiggle my body, ya jiggle jiggle. Make a bend then one ride it like a bicycle.
Behind the glam, Shenseea faced heartbreak. In 2020, her mother passed away suddenly. It rocked her world. But even in grief, she continued to rise, driven by love for her son, Rogero, and the legacy her mom left behind.
Excuse me, I'm going to charge this. Okay, sir.
Yeah, what do you mean? Of course I'm hot. Oh, you're hot. Hot.
Jamaica, this is my mother, and today is her birthday. Yeah. No. I now put my mother on a blast, you know. But she look good and she clean and everything. But mommy, how old are you? 50 years old.
Decided that I should tell you guys that what happened, because I feel like even though a lot of you did not get the chance to, like meet my mom personally, I felt like I shared enough memories of her with you guys, like how my family is. And so, yeah, we decided to tell you guys. So on Tuesday, my mom, like, she was with a family member, and I'm not like sure of what really happened, but she had a mild stroke and then a heart attack after. And the family member that was with her, they revived her back and she came back to life. And then we admitted her in the hospital. And I went there to see her. She was troubled with hypertension as well. I went to see her, and I know she was saying that she's feeling a bit weak and all of that. So they transferred her to the ward and they run some tests on her. And then, I went back on Wednesday to see her. I let her family members see her first because we were only allowed one visitor. I let my family members see her first, and then, I'm try sneak in after because I say, I have to see my mother, like, when I know. And honestly, I didn't feel like she was going to die, to be honest. That I did not know, right? So I saw her and everything. I spent 2 hours with her after we did a test. I watched them do the test, and she had one of her valves were leaking on her heart. And I heard that she had this problem for a long time. Like, sometimes when people talk and them say, oh, I feel tired or my heart or whatever, sometimes it kind of just blow over your head. Isn't me? Because really and truly, my mom, as you all saw, she's really vibrant and she's up and about. She's always freaking working. Even when I tell her, I say, Mommy, you really not have to stress out yourself. Me deal with everything. And to be honest, I just don't feel like I lost my mom alone. I felt like I lost one of a kid. You get me? Because I really had a lot of plans for my mother, and I really was doing my best to take care of her. You get me? So remember, I move her in with me and everything. So I tell you, brother. And then after I spend the 2 hours with her, that same night, I'm gonna go home. I'm gonna tell her, I say, Mommy, I love you. And your procedure gonna be good. Because she was supposed to do, a surgery to see if they could stop the leaking on her valve. And she was stable and everything when I left. Even the doctors told me that, make we take care of your mother. I say, because them see me there, they may ask her everything, like, what you want? You want banana, mango, any little thing, just tell me. So I tell them, I say, just relax, like, we take care of your mother, you get me? And the night, Wednesday night, I start get a panic attack, I tell you. Like, I got blackout. I said, what the fuck? Like, what happened? I'm going to calm down myself because I message somebody and I tell them, say, I feel that I have a panic attack. Like, my heart a beat really, really, really fast. And him never answer. I say, all right, I got to try calm down myself, man. Calm down myself. And I did. And right as I calm down myself, I got a call say, my mother unresponsive. And we went to the hospital. And, I'm a witness. Them really are trying to bring my mother back to life. Until the doctor hold me up, I can't believe my mother that me say.
Has it been in processing this loss that you've recently experienced?
Boy, I told myself that I was going to speak on it the other day, but the thing is with me, it's like, I don't know if I'm dealing with it right.
Yeah.
I've never lost anybody close to me before, never. Like, I've never broken down and cried about losing somebody. Like, when it comes on to death, I don't know what it feel like.
Right.
None at all.
Yeah.
So to lose not only someone that I love, but to lose my mom, right? I still don't know if I'm dealing with it, right?
Yeah.
If I'm supposed to talk about it, I run away from it. If I think about it, I kiss my teeth, go do something else. Like, I don't know. People say you should accept it and all that, but I don't know.
The people who say that, though, they haven't been where we are.
You lost.
Her voice caught the attention of some of the biggest names in the industry, Kanye West featured her on Donda, and soon she was in rooms with Doja Cat, Megan Thee Stallion, and more. Shenseea was no longer just a dancehall artist, she was an international star. In 2022, Shenseea dropped her debut album Alpha. It was a mix of raw dancehall, hip-hop, and pop. The message was clear. She's not here to fit in a box. She's here to dominate. From Mandeville to main stage, Shenseea has already done what many dream of. But she's just getting started. Whether it's Grammy dreams, fashion deals, or movie roles, the world better be ready for the full power of Shenyang. She's bold, she's beautiful, and she's breaking barriers. This is Shenseea, the modern face of dancehall. Drop a comment if you rate the Shenyang Queen, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Frozen Truth JM for more powerful stories from the heart of Jamaica.